Good afternoon. I am Vanessa Thomas with the 12 o'clock news on the street, 919 FM, and online Facebook and YouTube. In the headlines, Health Minister Terence Deyalsingh again pleads with the public to get vaccinated against COVID-19. Trade Ministry gets ready to protect against TCL's price increase. Christmas shoppers urged to do so early, and internationally trial begins of needle-free COVID vaccine targeting new variants. And now the news in detail. Minister of Health Terence Deyalsingh has once again pleaded with members of the public to get vaccinated against COVID-19. This, as he noted, the intensive care units are filling up with adults and children. Deyalsingh was speaking during the Ministry of Health's media conference on Monday. As he sought to explain the present reality, the minister lamented that the burden on TNT's healthcare system is approaching critical levels. For example, he said that the accident and emergency departments have 94 people waiting to be transferred, 82 of whom are unvaccinated. This, he said, paints a grim picture of the future. He added that the level of care one may expect coming into this Christmas period and the post-Christmas period, if people continue to make the decision not to be vaccinated, that level of ICU care that you think is waiting for you very soon may not be there. Meanwhile, Deyalsingh begged parents to take the jab, as he said more and more children are being placed in ICU. He said their parents' unwillingness to be vaccinated is sometimes responsible for their children becoming infected. The minister also noted that while TNT has 106 ICU beds, it should be noted that healthcare workers are stretched thinly. In other news, the Ministry of Trade has taken action it hopes will protect consumers from a planned hike in cement prices by Trinidad Cement Limited. The price hike of 15% by TCL comes mere months after the very Ministry of Trade supported an increase of duties on other hydraulic cements, which made rock-hard cement uncompetitive when compared to TCL cement, and allegations from Rock Hard that the region was creating a monopoly for TCL and it was sure to lead to price increases for consumers. TCL, the local cement manufacturer, issued a statement that effective 20th of December 2021, its product will increase by 15%. To this, the Trade Ministry stated that the government has taken two decisions to ensure the affordability of cement in the local market. The first is the Cabinet has agreed to a revision of the quota and import licensing regime for cement, building cement, grey and other hydraulic cements for 2022. Specifically, the maximum quota ceiling for cement allowed for importation will be set at 150,000 tons, an increase from 75,000 tons in 2021, with each existing registered importer receiving a 50% increase in their quota allocation in 2022. The ministry said government was made aware of a potential price increase of cement in November 2021. In more news, the San Fernando and Chaguanas business chambers are calling on customers to shop early this Christmas, as freight and customs issues have caused businesses to limit the range and amount of goods they can supply. Chaguanas Chamber of Industry and Commerce President Richie Sukai said Trinidad and Tobago citizens are last-minute buyers when it comes to Christmas, and a lot of people are looking forward to see whatever extra earnings they could be awarded for the season, and because of this, business chambers are hoping for the surge on that last week of Christmas. However, Sukai stated that because of global supply chain shortages, shoppers may not get a wide variety of products they are accustomed to, and what are available will be on a first-come, first-served basis for shoppers. So the business chambers are urging people that if they can, don't wait until last minute to do their Christmas shopping. International news now. A trial has begun of a new needle-free COVID-19 vaccine to protect against future variants of the virus. The vaccine, administered through a jet of air, has been developed by Professor Jonathan Heaney of Cambridge University and Chief Executive of Diosync Vax. Participants aged between 18 and 50 will take part in the trial. The vaccine, Diocovax, uses different technology to fight the disease, which could provide much broader protection against COVID variants and other coronaviruses. Current vaccines uses gene taken from the virus spike protein to encode antigen, which causes the immune system to produce antibodies. And that was the 12 o'clock news on the street, 919 FM, and online Facebook and YouTube. As we go, recapping the headlines. The Health Minister Terence Deyalsingh again pleads with the public to get vaccinated against COVID-19. Trade Ministry gets ready to protect against TCL's price increase. Christmas shoppers urged to do so early, and internationally trial begins of needle-free COVID vaccine targeting new variants. Do enjoy your afternoon and continue to be safe. I am Vanessa Thomas.